Good evening, everybody. I'm Nancy Grace. I want to thank you for being with us. Bombshell tonight, the tragic death of a 22-month-old toddler boy, Cooper, seemingly left alone for hours in a baking hot car by Daddy. But was the tot murdered? Damning evidence. Daddy sexting 6 different women, even sending photos of his erect penis as baby Cooper bakes dead in Daddy's car. Well, in the last hours, the father, Justin Ross Harris, in the courtroom as the defense fights tooth and nail to keep that courtroom closed from the public. But we were there. I want to go straight out to Nick Valencia, CNN correspondent, standing by, joining us from the courthouse. Nick, thanks so much for being with us. What was the gist of what happened in court today?
Nancy, today was all about whether or not the public and the media would be allowed during the trial inside that courtroom. We were inside the courtroom to hear Maddox Kilgore, Justin Ross Harris's defense attorney, lay out his arguments as to why he believes the media should be shut out. He called some of the headlines over the course of the last 15 months during Justin Ross Harris's incarceration problematic. He singled out our coverage on CNN and HLN, saying that some of it was sensationalized. He said that this would create a problem for potential jurors in trying to reach a fair trial, saying it was a clear and present danger to a fair trial. After several hours of hearing these arguments...
Nick Valencia, joining me outside the courthouse. The defense lawyer said that the courtroom being open so we can hear what's going on in there is a clear and present danger. Isn't that a movie with Harrison Ford? That's not a legal precedent. That's the name of a movie.
Today it was all about that language used by Maddox Kilgore.
Danger,
that's exactly
Nick?
what he called it, Nancy.
Nick
He said that it would create a danger. He said it would...
Of me and our viewers hearing what happened. What's the problem? What's the problem with the truth?
Well, according to him, here's his language: it would create false impressions with potential jurors. And the judge denied that pretrial motion, saying prior case law shows that in other high-profile cases, an impartial jury was able to be selected despite the intense media coverage. Maddox Kilgore saying that the media is obsessed with this case, though he turns out at the end of the day didn't get his way, Nancy.